Hello everyone, this is Kushi from A1 Australia Clayton. So today I will be talking about the three most common mistakes that people usually do in their essays in PTE. So the first one is not using your prompt carefully, which all circles back to the old template that you might be using or the outdated ones. So for a period of while, people have been using this template where it only accommodates you to write a topic sentence and nothing else, and that template was working well. But now you are required to write relevant content. That means at least 2 to 3 sentences in one body paragraph and body paragraph 2 as well. So make sure that you're writing original sentences in your essay and your sentences are well related to the topic as well. Number 2, not making compound sentences. Now the sentences you are making should be compound sentences or complex sentences. So these are the kind of sentences where you join one clause with the other clause with a connector. For example, and, so, because, but. All these connectors form the compound sentences. Make sure when you're putting these two clauses together with and, you put a comma before and, or with so, you put a comma before so. It's very essential. Next is pressing enter twice. A lot of students I have seen, they press enter twice in their essays. It just ruins the entire structure. Make sure you press enter once at the end of the paragraph and just start writing the next sentence after that. And the last thing is not proofreading your essay properly. This is the worst and the most commonly made mistake that people do in their essays, is that they don't proofread it. So what's the point of making all the compound sentences, using high vocabulary, or making a good structure if you're not proofreading your typographical errors and punctuations? You're going to be losing a lot of marks and getting a lot of writing penalties if you end up writing misspelled words due to hitting the wrong keys or making any spacing error, punctuation errors. So make sure that you don't repeat all these mistakes in your upcoming examination, and follow us for more tips and advice like that. And make sure you check out our website Mockmaster.AI, where we have templates available, the writing template which is working so well so far. So make sure you check that out. Thank you.